Hello and welcome to the Utah Sports Action training video for football game creation. This video will show you the process of entering a new football game into the system so that it shows up on the team schedules as well as a complete football game schedule. What we'll need to do first is go ahead and log into the website, the data entry account. Okay, so we're now logged into the site. The source for the data we're going to be entering is going to be coming from this website here, tribpreps.com. You can see the URL up there. And what we'll need to do is go ahead and look up the school that we're interested in for the game. In this case, we'll go ahead and look up the Millard High School. And here in a few moments, that'll present us with the Millard Eagles page. If we scroll down, we can see the football schedule. We'll go ahead and enter this game here into the system, Kanab at Millard, on September 25th. So just go ahead and select that row of data. Go ahead and copy it to the clipboard and come back over to the Utah Sports Action website. We'll come into the data entry menu on the left, click Create Content, and we are entering a new football game into the system, so we'll click Football Game. And this will present us with the blank Create Football Game form. For the title of the football game, we'll just go ahead and paste what we got from the TribPreps website. We'll massage this a little bit by replacing the at word with the at symbol. We'll also replace everything between the home team and the date with a dash with a couple spaces, and then we'll replace the date here with something that matches what will show up down here in the date and time field. So that gives us the title for the game, the visiting team at the home team, and the date and time for the game. For the visiting team and the home team fields, these actually link this game to the teams involved. So what we need to do is start entering the visiting team here. And as we type that in, it'll auto-complete down below. In the drop-down, just go ahead and click on the name of the team there, and that'll fill in the information we need. Now, if you come here and you start typing the name of the team and it does not auto-complete for you, more than likely the team has not been entered into the system yet. So what you'll need to do is go back to the Create Content menu here on the left and do Football Team and enter the team in question into the system before you're able to create the football game which that team is playing in. Here in this case, both teams are in the system, so we can just enter Millard, and we have both the teams here. Next, we come down to the date and time. When you click on the date, it'll pop up a little calendar. Just go ahead and match the date that we have up there, 9/25/2009, and the time will be 7 o'clock. The attendance, the score, the stats, we don't need to mess with any of that yet. This football game, let's say, is in the future, and we're just entering it here so that it shows up on the schedule. Once the football game has been played, we can come back and fill in this information as needed. But for right now, this is all we need to do. So go ahead and click Save. That'll enter this into the system, and you'll get these errors or warnings here at the top. You can ignore those. Here it'll show us all the data that we entered. Obviously the scorecard is blank and the statistics are blank because we have not entered any of that yet. The football team links here will take us, if we click on one of them, it'll take us back to the football team in question, here the Kanab High School football team. The game that we just entered will also show up in this team's schedule. So we can go back to the game and click on Millard and see the same thing, except it'll be under the home games list since this is a home game for Millard High School. Right there. So this completes the training video for football team creation on the Utah Sports Action website.